To the catastrophic wildfires in Los Angeles. Winds are easing, helping firefighters while the search for answers picks up. ABC's Matt Gutman shares more on this heartbreaking reality.
This morning, as firefighters gain the upper hand on the wildfires that savaged Southern California last week, the investigation into what caused those catastrophic fires is intensifying. Multiple neighbors publishing images of what was possibly the start of the Eaton fire.
You see the fire at the base of the transmission tower.
You do.
What does that tell you when you see that video?
That a fire started at the base of the transmission tower. I don't know if there's any connection to Southern California Edison or whoever owned those high tension lines above. I don't know what started the fire.
SoCal Edison has said it's seen no evidence their equipment started the fire, but they are investigating. And dozens are still missing as crews from across California comb through the rubble.
Careful.
And there, amid the wreckage, we found Linda Zhang calling out for her cat, Nico.
Nico! Nico! Oh, my cat ran back in when I was leaving the fire.
She asked us to show his picture.
Nico, if I can even find his tag, I might have some closure, or maybe he's still alive.
Like thousands of others who've been displaced, she says she now can't find a place to live and has experienced price gouging firsthand.
Now, the landlords won't even let me rent like a small apartment because they know that the market's going to be a seller's market.
So you think you won't be able to afford a new place?
I won't be able to. I already got rejected the other day from a studio.
LA's district attorney demanding it stop.
Not only are you going to be looking at criminal penalties, you will be looking at civil penalties. You will be publicly shamed.
And for some displaced students, a return to class.
Thanks for opening the school for us. Thank you.
Their own schools in the Palisades charred and frozen in the moment they had to flee. There, those lunch boxes covered in ash. Other schools now opening their doors and their arms to them.
Nightmares of no house and all my stuff being gone. My childhood memories might be gone.